Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain matrices and determinants previous year case set questions part 3. Let us go to the first problem. This is from 2016 question. So what is given? If A is any square matrix of order 3 by 3 and data of 3A. So our target is data of 3A. We have data of Ka is equal to K to the power n into det A, where n is order of the matrix. Where n is order of the matrix. Now, what is required? Data of 3A. Data of 3A is equal to 3 to the power n into det A, where n is equal to order of the matrix, n is equal to 3 given. Therefore, 3 power 3 into data of A, this is nothing but 27 into data of A. So, third option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. Look at the next problem. A, B, two matrices are given, then find out A minus B. We have to find A minus B. So let us do subtraction these two matrices. A minus B is equal to 1 by pi into sin inverse of pi x minus of minus cos inverse pi x. So sin inverse of pi x. So minus of minus plus cos inverse of pi x. And first row second column element tan inverse of x by pi minus tan inverse of x by pi, this will be 0. And the sin inverse of x by pi minus sin inverse of x by pi, this will be 0. Cot inverse of pi x minus of minus tan inverse of pi x, this will be cot inverse of pi x plus tan inverse of pi x. We know that sin inverse of pi x plus cos inverse of pi x value pi by 2, as well as cot inverse of pi x plus tan inverse of pi x, this value also pi by 2. So 1 by pi into pi by 2, 0, 0, pi by 2. This will be, in this one pi by 2 take out common, 1 by pi times of pi by 2 into 1, 0, 0, 1. So this will 1 pi get cancelled. This will be 1 by 2 into 1, 0, 0, 1. This is nothing but unit matrix I. So 1 by 2 into I, correct answer. So fourth option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. So this is question from 2016. X, Y, Z are different or not equal to 0. One det value given 0. Then the value of x inverse plus y inverse plus z inverse. In this one, x, y, z common from first row and second row, third row. X take out common from first row. 1 by x plus 1, 1 by x, 1 by x. In second row, y take out common, 1 by y, 1 plus 1 by y, 1 by y. In third row, 1 by z take out common, 1 by z, 1 by z, 1 by z plus 1. This is equal to 0 given. Now this is going to be x, y, z into. So what is the combination required? 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is required. So first row, this is the first column, second column, third column. Okay, clear. First row, second row, third row. R1 replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So by using elementary operations, R1 replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this will be 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. And second one, 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Next 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z plus 1. So second row, third row write as it is. 1 by y plus 1 plus 1 by y, 1 by y, 1 by z, 1 by z, 1 by z plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, in this net, what is the first row? First row 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. In first row, all elements are equal. So take out 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z plus 1 common. So this will be x y z into 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z into det is equal to 0. Det value is equal to 0. But our target is 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 0. In this x y z not equal to 0. This det also not equal to 0. So this value must be 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z must be equal to 0. So what is required? 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to answer is minus 1. So which option is correct? Option 4 correct. Let us go to the next problem. Question number 4 from 2016. A is a matrix of order m by n and B is a matrix such that AB dash BA dash are defined. Then order of the matrix B is. So option 4 options m by m, n by m, n by m, m by n combinations are given. Okay. This is m by m. Fourth option. This kind of problems by using verification method. Let us take option 1. What is option 1? M by n. First, what is required? Order of B is required. So, option 1, let us take order of B is equal to m by n. What is given? Order of A. Order of A is equal to m by n given. Order of A. So now first we have to find order of AB dash and order of BA dash. So order of A m by n given and second matrix B dash. Order of B dash. Order of B dash is equal to, so order of B m by n, order of B dash transpose of B is equal to n by n. Now what is required? Order of AB dash. Order of AB dash is equal to the number of columns in first matrix and the number of rows in second matrix. If equal, this order is exists. This product is exists. So order of AB dash is equal to m by m. Order of AB dash is equal to m by n. Therefore, AB dash is exists. Product of AB dash is exists. Similarly, we have to find BA dash. Order of B is equal to m by n. Order of A dash. Order of A given m by n. Order of A dash is n by m. So product of these two matrices, order of BA dash is equal to the number of columns in first matrix, the number of rows in second matrix. If equal, then product of matrices equal, exist. Then product of matrices exist. So order of BA dash is m by n, therefore BA dash is exist or defined. So AB dash defined and BA dash defined when order of B is equal to m by n. So option 1 is correct. Let us go to the next problem. X, Y, Z are not equal, then the value of det. So this kind of problems by using elementary operations, the R1, R2, R3 given, 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is a 3 by 3 det. R2 replaced by R2 minus R1 and R3 replaced by R3 minus R1. We apply R2 replaced by R2 minus R1 and R3 replaced by R3 minus R1. Now we get first row right as it is, log x, log y, log z, R2 minus R, log 2x minus log x. The log 2x minus log x value, first write log 2x minus log x and log 2y minus log y log 2y minus log y, log 2z minus log z. And next operation R3 replaced by R3 minus R1. Log 3x minus log x, log 3x minus log x, log 3y minus log y, log 3z minus log z. This will be first row write as it is log x, log y, log z, log 2x minus log x. By using log a minus log b formula, log a by b. So log 2x minus log x is log 2x by x log 2. This is log 2y minus log y, log 2y by y log 2. This is also log 2, log 2. This will be log 3x minus log x, log by using log a minus b form, log a minus log b, log a by b. Log 3x by x, this will be log 3. Next log 3, log 3. In second row, log 2, and in third row, log 3, take out common. In second and third rows, log 2, log 3, take out common. Log 2 into log 3 into log x, log y, log z, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. If any two rows are equal, if any two rows or columns are equal, this depth will be 0. That is depth property. So option 3 correct. Let us go to the next problem. One 2 by 2 matrix, one condition is given, then find the value of theta. So A plus A transpose is equal to I given. So what is A given? Cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta plus A transpose. Transpose of given matrix is cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. This will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Now this will going to be cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos 2 theta, 2 cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta get cancelled. Sin 2 theta get cancelled 0. Cos 2 theta, 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. So let us observe these two matrices. These two matrices are equal matrices. So equating corresponding elements. Therefore 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 1. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 by 2. Therefore 2 theta is equal to 60 degrees. Cos 60 1 by 2. Therefore theta is equal to 30 degrees or pi by 6 radians. Pi by 6 correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2016 question. One 2 by 2 matrix is given. Then find the value of A square minus 5A. First, we have to find A square. A square is equal to A into A. So what is A given? 3, 1 minus 1, 2 into 3, 1 minus 1, 2. Now we should multiply these two matrices. First row multiply with the first column 9 minus 1, 8. And first row multiply with the second column 5. Second row first column minus 3 minus 5 minus 1 and plus 4 plus 3. This is A square. So what is required? A square minus 5A. So A square value 8, 5 minus 5, 3 minus 5 into matrix A given. What is the matrix A given? 3, 1 minus 1, 2. So this will be 8, 5 minus 5, 3 minus this 5 multiplied to every element of this matrix 15, 5 minus 5 and 10. So this will be 8 minus 15 minus 7, 0, 0 minus 7. In this minus 7 take out common 1, 0, 0, 1. This will be I. So minus 7 into I correct answer. So option 4 correct. So let us go to the next problem. A 2 by 2 one matrix is given. Data of A cube is equal to 27 given. then find the value of alpha. So det of a cube is equal to 27. We know that det of a cube is equal to det a whole cube. We have one formula, det of a power n is equal to det a whole power n. Okay, from this statement, what is given? A matrix is given, det of A. Det of A is equal to alpha to 2 alpha. Therefore, det of A is equal formula AD minus BC, alpha square minus 4. Therefore, alpha square minus 4 whole cube is equal to 3 cube. Now, alpha square minus 4 is equal to 3. Alpha square is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. Alpha equal to plus or minus root 7. Which option is correct? First option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. P and Q are given. Then find the value of dq by dx. So what is the P? P is equal to det of 2 by 2 matrix. Formula is AD minus BC. AD minus BC x square minus 1. And Q is equal to det of 3 by 3 matrix. Plus minus plus x into x square minus 1 minus 1 into x minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus x. This will be x cube minus x minus 1 multiplied to x minus 1 minus x. So x cube minus 3x plus 2. This is q. But what is required? Derivative of q function with respect to x. So derivative with respect to x on both sides. Therefore, dq by dx is equal to x cube derivative 3x square minus 3x derivative will be minus 3, constant derivative 0. In this one 3, take out common x square minus 1. But x square minus 1 place and write p. This is 3p. So which option is correct? Third option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. One condition is given, then find the area of the triangle formed by the vertices. So area of the triangle formula. Delta is equal to 1 by 2 times of x1 by a, y1 by a, 1. x1, y1, 1. Where x1, y1 place in x1 by a, y1 by a there. Next, x2 by b, y2 by b, 1. x3 by c, y3 by c, 1. Is it clear? This will be 1 by 2 into x1 by a, y1 by a. This 1 can be written as a by a. x2 by b, y2 by b, b by b. And x3 by c, y3 by c, c by c, right? In first row 1 by a, in second row 1 by b, in third row 1 by c, take out common. This will be a, this will be 1 by 2 times of 1 by a into 1 by b into 1 by c. This will be x1 y1 a, x2 y2 b, x3 y3 c. x1 y1 a, x2 y2 b, x3 y3 c. Okay, clear? This is, let us take equation 1. Okay, this is the given condition. In this given condition, in first column 2 take out common. 2 times of a, b, c, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. This will be a, b, c by 2. Okay. What is required? Det of x1, y1a, x2, y2b, x3, y3c. So let us observe this det. First, we interchange first 2 columns. If in this det, if any 2 rows or columns are interchanged, the sign will be changed. So minus 2 into x1, x2, x3, a, b, c, and y1, y2, y3. This will be a, b, c by 2. These two are divided on right side, minus 1 into. If we observe first column and second column and third column, in this what is required? y1, y2, y3, a, b is required. But in this a, b, c, y1, y2, y3 are there. So next we interchange second column and third column. Then again sign will be changed. x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, a, b, c. This will be a, b, c by 2. So minus into minus plus. So answer is this result will be a, b, c by 2. Therefore 1 by 2 times of a, b, c by 4. a, b, c by 4. This 2 divided on right side, a, b, c by 4. 1 by 2 a, b, c into. So this data will be a, b, c by 4. So a, b, c get cancelled. Answer is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 correct answer. Now let us go to the next problem. Find the value of debt. Debt of ABCD formula AD minus BC. So AD minus BC. So this is cos 15, cos 75 minus sin 15, sin 75. So what is this is in the form of cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B, cos A plus B. Cos 15 plus 75. This will be cos 90. So cos 90 value 0. So which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. So A given, then find out A square. So A square is equal to A into A. So 0, 1 in 1, 0 into 0, 1, 1, 0. So product of these two matrices. So first row multiply with the first column, this will be 1. And first row, second column 0. Second row, first column 0. Second row, second column 1. This is nothing but unit matrix I. Which option is correct? First option is correct. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.